Chelidonium majus, Allen's keynotes. Persons of light complexion, blondes, thin, spare, irritable, subject to hepatic, gastric, and abdominal complaints, every age, sex, and temperament. Constant pain under the lower and inner angle of right scapula. Ailments brought on or renewed by change of weather, all lessen after dinner. Tongue coated thickly yellow with red edges showing imprint of teeth. Desire for very hot drinks unless almost boiling stomach will not retain them. I repeat, desire for very hot drinks unless almost boiling stomach will not retain them. Periodic orbital neuralgia, right-sided, with excessive lacrimation, tears fairly gush out. Constipation, stool hard, round balls like ship's dung, alternate constipation and diarrhea. Diarrhea at night, slimy, light green, bright yellowish, brown or white, watery, pasty, involuntary. Face, forehead, nose, cheeks remarkably yellow. Yellow-grey color of the skin, wilted skin of the palms of hands. Hepatic diseases, jaundice, pain in right shoulder, pneumonia of right lung, liver complications. Spasmodic cough, small lumps of mucus fly from mouth when coughing. Affects right side most, right eye, right lung, right hypochondrium and abdomen, right hip and leg, right foot, cold as ice, left natural. Old putrid spreading ulcers with a history of liver disease or of a tubercular diathesis. Gallstones with pain under the right shoulder blade. Terrible attack of gallstone colic. Relations. Chelidonium antidotes the abuse of bryonia, especially in hepatic complaints. Compare aconite, bryonia, Lycopodium murk, Nux sanguinaria, sepia, sulfur. Arsenic, Lycopodium and sulfur follow well and will often be required to complete the cure. Chelidonium majus, Boric materia medica, a prominent liver remedy covering many of the direct complex symptoms of diseased conditions of that organ. The jaundiced skin and especially the constant pain under inferior angle of right scapula are certain indications. Paralytic, drawing and lameness in single parts. The great general lethargy and indisposition to make any effort is also marked. Ailments brought on or renewed by change of weather. Serous effusions, hydrocele, bilious complications during gestation. Head, icy coldness of occiput from the nape of neck, feels heavy as lead. Heavy, lethargic drowsiness very marked with general numbness, vertigo associated with hepatic disturbance. Inclination to fall forward. Right-sided headache down behind ears and shoulder blade. I repeat, right-sided headache down behind ears and shoulder blade. Neuralgia over right eye, right cheekbone and right ear with excessive lacrimation preceded by pain in liver. Nose, flapping of alae nasal. Eyes, dirty yellow color of whites, sore sensation on looking up. Tears fairly gush out. Orbital neuralgia of right eye with profuse lacrimation, pupils contracted, relieved by pressure. Face yellow, worse, nose and cheeks, wilted skin. Stomach, tongue yellow with imprint of teeth, large and flabby. Taste bitter, pasty, bad odor from mouth. Prefers hot food and drink. Nausea, vomiting, better, very hot water. Pain through stomach to back and right shoulder blade. Gastralgia, eating relieves temporarily. especially when accompanied with hepatic symptoms. Abdomen, jaundice due to hepatic and gallbladder obstruction, gall colic, distension, fermentation and sluggish bowels. Constriction across as by a string, liver enlarged, gallstones. Urine, profuse, foaming, yellow urine like beer. I repeat, yellow urine like beer. Stool, constipation, stools hard, round balls like ship's dung, bright yellow, pasty, clay colored, stools float in water, alternation of diarrhea and constipation, burning and itching of anus. Female, menses too late and too profuse. Respiratory, very quick and short inspirations, pain on deep inspiration. Dyspnea, short, exhausting cough, sensation of dust not relieved by cough. Whooping cough, spasmodic cough, loose, rattling, expectoration difficult. Pain in right side of chest and shoulder with embarrassed respiration. Small lumps of mucus fly from mouth when coughing. Hoarse in afternoon, constriction of chest. Back, pain in nape, stiff neck, head drawn to left, fixed pain under inner and lower angle of right scapula. Pain at lower angle of left scapula. Extremities, pain in arms, shoulders, hands, tips of fingers, icy coldness of tips of fingers, wrist sore, tearing in metacarpal bones, whole flesh sore to touch. Rheumatic pain in hips and thighs, intolerable pains in heels as if pinched by too narrow a shoe, worse, right. Feels paralyzed, paralysis of the lower limbs with rigidity of muscles. Skin, dry heat of skin, itches, yellow, painful red pimples and pustules, old spreading offensive ulcers, wilted skin, sallow, cold, clammy. Modalities, worse, right side, motion, touch, change of weather, very early in morning. Better, after dinner from pressure. Relationship, sulfur often completes its work. Complementary, Lycopodium, Bryonia, antidote, Chamomilla. Compare, Nux, sulfur, Bryonia, Lycopodium, opium, Podophyllum, sanguinaria, arsenic. Dose, tincture and lower attenuation.